I have got this news recently. The cable car is not working. Oh guys, let me see what I'm doing. Oh my god, I got totally f***ed up today, man. I got it, man. Hi everybody, right now I am at the Xi'an North Railway Station, and today we are gonna do a trip to Mount Huasan and the Deadly Plank Road, named as the most deadliest hike in the world. There are a lot of doubts about this Mount Huasan. From west side there are a lot of peaks, 4 peaks. Yes, there are 2 cable cars over there, and a lot of confusion goes on from which side you have to go up and which side you have to come down. Today I am gonna clear all your doubts, and right now I am at the North Xi'an railway station, and I'm gonna board this train at 8:25 to Mount Huasan North. So from this north to Mount Huasan North railway station. This one is a high speed end, and there is also another line to just Mount Huasan, which is a slow speed one. So right now I'm at the high speed one, and I'm gonna board the train, and let's get out at Mount Huasan and check out how we have to go further down. This is the exit that we have come. It's Mount Huasan North exit, and there are a lot of cabs. I don't find any bus over here, but there are a lot of cabs asking for the 10 yuan to take us to the Mount Huasan West cable car. Yeah, I got a bus from the station. It is exactly opposite to the railway station. You have just crossed the road and there is a bus stand. It takes 5 yuan to bring you to this West cable car tourist information center. And over there, the green bus, this is where the bus drops you, and I am going to the visitor center, which is on this side. Right now we are at the visitor center. There is a separate visitor center for the foreigners, and you can get the ticket over here. I have got the ticket, this one, and this cost me 200 yuan. That is entrance for 160 and 40 for the bus ticket to the West Gate. From there I have to purchase the West cable car ticket separately. Here you have the tourist service information deck with the left luggage office. You can leave your luggages over here. Then you have to go to this way to catch the shuttle bus to the West Gate. This is the West Gate from where you can either hike or take the cable car, which is from here. This is the ticket center for the ropeway. This is the west gate, and I'm hiking it up. Yeah, the cable car is somewhere further up. So guys, a 40 meters ride by the bus from the visitors center to the west gate, and then hiking somewhere around 100 to 200 stairs, and then queuing for another half an hour for the cable car. Right now I'm almost to the entrance of the cable car. This temple is just outside the West Cable Car station when we hike it up. Yeah, as you come out of this West Peak, and you have stairs going two way. One goes to the South Peak, West Peak, and the other one goes to the East, North, and the Middle Peak. So I'm going to the West Peak and the South Peak. At the summit of the West Peak, and you can see all around me here. That over there is the South Peak, and this, I guess, the East Peak.
Quiet thought planted where the time forgot. Tiny bridges curving slow, steps of someone I don't.
Yeah, this is the South Peak, and coming from the South Peak, we are now going to the East Peak and the plank road in the sky. Here you can see the East Peak over here. So guys, this is the way to the plank road. Yeah, I had to come to Mount Huasan to go on the plank road. Unfortunately, it's closed because of some repairs. You can see it. Guys, now we are descending down to the East Peak from the South Peak. Just wanted to do the plank road, but unfortunately It was closed due to the maintenance. We are now heading to the east peak. So it goes like this. When you come up the west peak, the south is much more higher than that. You have to ascend it, then from there you have to descend to the east peak, then go to the center peak, and last to the north peak, which is the smallest one. And from then you can hike down or take the cable car down. Hiking the east peak, and there is the chess pavilion on the east peak. Yeah guys, not the plank road, but at least this one, the chess pavilion over there. We are gonna try this one out. We'll go to the chess pavilion. As you can see, we have come down over there. Somersault and the chess pavilion, which we have to go down here, and I have done this right now like this. And the charges are 30 yuan for the safety belt, and you can take photos for 30 yuan. It's an optional. And this is the place that we went. It's a one way, means you have to wait for the others. You have to go and wait for the others to come, then you can come back up again. And so it took me around 2 hours, half an hour to 45 minutes waiting in the queue, then half an hour going down, and another half an hour to come up. So it's almost took 2 hours activity. In the east peak down, we are going to the north peak. It is descending because north peak is the smallest one. So guys, here is the north peak over here, and over there is the cable car, but the cable car is not working. I have got this news recently, and full of uncertainties. What I'm going to do, inquired about going down. It takes about 3 more hours. Can't go back up now to the west peak. Yeah, it's still more, the hike is up high. Now let's try it this way out. So guys, I'm badly stuck now in between. Here, this is the north peak right over here, and can't go back to the west peak, and the north peak cable car is not functioning, and this is the way we have to go down. It seems that I am going through the soldier's way. Oh my good heaven, it seems gonna take 2 to 3 more hours. So guys, always inquire if the north cable car is working or the west is working. Both are working. If you plan to go one way and you're not able to come the other way, this is the way that you have to go down. Guys, can you see what I'm doing? Be prepared for this at Mount Huasan. Yeah, I'm coming from there. It seems lonely. I don't know if there are lights or no. These all seems like the lights. Guys, one good news. The lights started glowing. Oh my god. And 2 more hours of hiking. I have to be descending. Yeah. Oh my god. I got it, man. so
没走这边了，那个。
oh,
人家先下呀。
great.
这就是正点那个
Oh
白
my
天
god.
看着霞，你这
I got totally f***ed up today, man.
白天霞，你再不走这都完蛋了，这就是经典路线，再不走没了。
Oh my god. Guys, can you see this? Can you imagine what I'm going through? Beware. Never come Mount Vasana as a hiking. Take the cable car and go. It's the best option. It's already 7:30 and I'm still descending. Not a person to be seen. Yeah, it's 8:15 and still I'm getting down. And you can see my legs have stopped working. And it's paining immensely. I have to walk backwards. Guys, it's almost 8:45. I reached the base right now. I guess we have to catch a taxi from here. So this is the North Hiking Peak Station. So from here I'm going to Huasan North Railway Station and catch a train to Xi'an North. Hi guys, I am back from the Mount Huasan trip. And to summarize the trip, it's like this. Thing is that you have to start very early from Xi'an, or you can stay at the Huasan. I started from Xi'an at around 8 and just now I have got back. That's around 10 to 10:30. Took a lot of time. Since there was no North cable car, I had to hike down for approximate 4 hours. Now if you start from the Xi'an, there are two stations, the high speed one and the slow speed one. The Xi'an high speed takes you to the Huasan high speed and the Xi'an regular one takes you to the Huasan regular. Now the high speed train takes around 30 minutes but the slow speed one takes 1.5 hours. The high speed costs you 55 and the low speed 25. And now as you get out at the Huasan North station, there are buses which charge you 5 yuan and they take you to the West Gate tourist counter where you can buy the tickets. For there are a non-Chinese counter. Then the tickets cost you around 200. That's including the shuttle bus which takes you to the West Gate, and the shuttle bus starts from the tourist counter. Now as soon as you get at the West Gate, which is another 40 minutes ride from the tourist center, you have to climb again for 200 stairs and then you have to queue up for around 40 minutes and then you go up the cable car to the West Peak cable car station. Then from there you have to again hike around 200 steps to get to the West Peak, and from there you go to the South Peak, which is another hike, and then you can do the plank road over there, and from then you can get to the East Peak and do the chess pavilion, which I had done, then towards to the North Gate and again down by the cable car. It can also be done in the opposite way from north to west, but I don't know about that since I went up the West Peak. But going up the West Peak is better because you do the most of the hiking by the cable car and then you have to just go down to all the peaks. But in the case of the North Peak, if you come from the North Peak, then you have to hike up all these peaks again. So that's all for now. Thank you.